Replace the Chinese version of the app controller. Connect the wires of the integrated controller again. Cut off the fixed zip ties. Connect the interface. That's it. After replacing it, it's just a remote control to control the speed and color of the light strip. It can be seen that the light strip adjustment response is still very fast. The app can also control the light strip and speed. The app also has a very sensitive response when controlling the speed. Can adjust the display effect and color of the light strip.